Breast cancer is the most common cancer in women. Do you know every fourth minute, one woman is being diagnosed with carcinoma breast? In the last decade, a fast upsurge in the case of carcinoma breast has been noted. What's the reason behind this upsurge? So now let's discuss about the risk factors of carcinoma breast. The first being increased daily weight, lack of physical activity, smoking and alcohol consumption, our food being contaminated with a lot of pesticides, having a lot of processed foods, any history of radiation exposure or hormone replacement therapy, and yes, family history of carcinoma breast, which means that if a female is being affected, her sisters and daughters, they are at increased risk of developing carcinoma breast later in life, so they need to be more alert and conscious. So today I am here to briefly guide you about the steps we should take so as to fight against this fierce disease. The first being breast aware, which means that each of us should make it a habit of examining our breast every month so that any breast lump developing could be noticed very early. You should not ignore any change of color, any nipple discharge. If your skin is giving an appearance like a peel of orange or your nipples are retracted inwards, immediately rush to your doctor. The second being, plan an annual visit to your doctor so that she can be examined in a better way. Every female who is more than 40, regular mammography is recommended. Now I would like to tell you how a lump of breast cancer looks like, how it feels like. A lump of breast cancer is usually painless, due to which it's diagnosed very late, where it has already spread to other body parts. Then the lump of breast cancer, it's very hard and it's fixed to the joint tissues, so you cannot move it freely. The margins, they are very irregular. Breast cancer is most common among women who are more than 50 years of age, although any age can be affected. So now what are the steps we should take to prevent against this disease? The first being regular physical activity. It has been documented that those females who are performing 30 minutes of regular physical activity at least 5 days a week, they have 30% reduced risk of developing carcinoma breast. So hit the gym, join yoga, go for a walk, go for cycling, be it any means. Devote 30 minutes to yourself because it has got a documented role against carcinoma breast. The second being avoiding smoking and alcohol. Third being adopting healthy eating habits, consuming a lot of fresh fruits, vegetables and citrus fruit. It has been documented that those females who are regularly consuming citrus fruits, they have 10 to 20% decreased risk of developing carcinoma breast. So, and avoid processed foods. Wash your fruits and vegetables thoroughly before consuming them so as to remove the harmful pesticides. And third, avoid postmenopausal hormone replacement therapy. And lastly, be alert and be conscious about any lump developing. A little of consciousness and care can protect you from this fierce disease. Take care of your health and make your health a priority. Thank you.